Hey dancers, we have got quite a series of dance steps in store for you. The side step, which is a really sensual basic movement. We're gonna do it 5 new ways just for you, and we're gonna tell you a cool secret about choreography. Let's get right into it. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3-step turn. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
With the 3-step turn, the leader can actually choose to keep the hand up. 3-step turn. 3-step turn.
Crossing on 3, we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Spiral turn is next, just for the follower.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Quick tip for the spiral turn, the leader needs to have his hand up here by the time she steps on the 2. He's gonna let her step 3, turn on and then 4. Same thing, 2, 3, and 4.
Quick tip for the leader, don't try to travel as much as the follower. Where are you going? So from here, she's sort of gonna shoot off over there and then over there. We get 2, 3, 4. See, she's past me. That's good. Then 2, 3, 4. Again, she slightly is passing because she's crossing that foot. So I'm kind of more stationary and she can yo-yo off in different directions.
That's right, the better dancer always does more work.
It was a lot of work that I did. It was just stationary. Hammerlock Headloop. We have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ending with a handshake hold. Goodbye.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We're ready for some basic.
This one is so good! We're crazy about this step, can you tell?
This right hand here is going to go behind her back, and I'm going to slide right onto her elbow and then regain hold here with her left hand to my right hand. Then when I want her to spin, I'm going to add a little circular action there to bring her past me. Let's just check those connections out with the partner? With the steps, that is. We've got 4, 1. We've got side step, 2, switch hands, 3, 4, 1. Now here's where I'm going to do that circular lead on the 3. So we get 2, circle lead, 3, 4. I can get my hand right onto her back there. And then we're ready to go into a basic. Now I'm going to tell you an important secret about choreography. If I go scuttly wuddly duddly, dingly boddly boo, what happened was I just kept everything the same over here and then I backtracked over there. You got to make sure that you change where you are in space. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. One person travels more, you can keep turning that side step. So our positions changed, which makes things just kind of feel a little bit cooler. So remember that when you're social dancing, try to keep changing where you are in space and not...
So disclaimer, for the purpose of ease of teaching and learning, we go kind of back and forth in those other variations, but you can apply this same concept to all the variations that we have just showed you.
So that's one of the reasons you see things repeat so many times, is because it's just easier to learn that way. But once you get it down, you want to start turning stuff. Hey, why don't you guys just go ahead and make a comment about what you guys would like to learn next for Dance in 5 Ways. Post a comment below.
Do it right now.
And we'll put it up for you.
Or you have an idea for a variation, put it down there.
Maybe we haven't thought of it yet.
Yeah.
You're the creative one, and you will see your creation come to life.
It's alive!
I will stand here until you subscribe. Can I
Put
come
that
down
out of
now?
there. Okay, I think you guys have subscribed. This is LiWen, and I am
Tytus!
from DanceInsanity.
We will see you in the next video.